How much time are you wasting from miscommunication? Over the next few minutes, I'm going to help you eliminate vague, ineffective language so people are not only listening to what you're saying, they're actually acting on it. We've helped thousands of leaders all over the globe achieve life-changing performance by focusing on their communication and behavior. Now, in the past, you've likely been given encouragement, training, or even feedback to soften your communication, so people around you won't be offended or get their feelings hurt. The problem is, this has an enormous cost for you and your business. Like every single leader we've worked with in the past 21 years, you have at least one habit of using cliché, overly polite, pre-qualifying phrases. They sound like this. Correct me if I'm wrong. You might disagree. Well, I think it should be good to... And while that may soften your message, you're accidentally creating a whole different problem. This artificial harmony has an enormous price tag. Not only do you not sound confident, you don't sound competent. Bubble wrap creates confusion, mediocre performance, wasting valuable time, energy, and money. What's our solution? Activating Language is our battle-tested framework, built in the field with business leaders like you. The Bubble Wrap cheat sheet gives you a solid start to creating remarkable results in relationships. By removing unnecessary words and phrases, this practice helps you ensure your communication is clear, concise, and effective. Your messages are powerful and easy to understand, leading to faster action and stronger results. So download the Bubble Wrap cheat sheet today and start transforming your communication.